What's up, guys? So it's David Heller here from Lake Country Manufacturing. We are in Vegas. It's SEMA time. So it's Sunday. We just got into town here. We have to run over to the convention center and start unpacking the booth and getting everything set up. I got to meet with David Patterson and Jason Brennan, who's our East Coast sales rep. You guys have met both of them before on the channel. I'm gonna be providing a bunch of content for you guys this year. We're gonna be doing daily uploads, kind of more vlog style like what this is here, and we're just gonna I'm gonna give you basically behind the scenes access to what we're doing here at SEMA and what all goes on to make sure this happens. Like I said, we're doing daily uploads, so make sure you check back every morning, 9 a.m. Vegas time, and I will see you in the next one.